yes, it's after a long time. I don't know, I was not feeling that great to make videos since my college is online now and I'm not going to college, so I was not really feeling to make videos because mental health, it is important, and I was trying to calm myself down and to disconnect me from all the worries. And yes, so I didn't force myself and I didn't push myself to make videos, though my friends and all the people were asking why I'm not making videos. Did I just stop making videos? No, it's not. And so I really want you all people to show a very funny, funky, but yes, very close to my heart parts from the last day when our college got closed due to this pandemic again. And yes, it's really frustrating. Many of the people are just, I mean, in general colleges, they are just having their college life over, right? So one of my friend was talking to me about it. She is in presidency, so it is really very saddening. And also for the seniors, people are getting farewell online, they're having their freshers. Some colleges don't even have that this year, so it's really very very messed up condition. I just hate these things, but you cannot just want everything and you will get it suddenly. It's, I don't know, many people are suffering, and I think we should just make ourselves calm down and keep our mental health good, keep our physical health good, eat foods, just keep yourself distracted from all the worries, keep yourself calm, because if you are not okay, you cannot make it the other situations, the surrounding okay. So that's what I really want to. And talk to your friends, I talk to them. And also the online classes, it sucks, I know. So let's just see the last day. And also we were discussing to make the college close because many of my batchmates were positive, and the whole college, there were people who were positive, but doctors, they can't just quit, right? So since we were in the first year, we tried to just make our college close because it was very risky. We were traveling every time and we have comorbid patients at our house, so that was the reason. And now we can see the last day where we were like bidding byes, because many of my friends live far away. They are here in PGs or hostels, so yes, that was kind of saddening also, because this was the first time we were in college after all those neat stuff. It sucks, it just sucks, the life just sucks. You don't have anything, you don't have friends. Neat life is, oh god, I don't want to recall those periods. But I'm grateful because if you don't give NEET, you cannot enter a college. So yes, that in that way I can say I'm grateful, but the life sucks, so just forget about it. তোদেরকে আমি নর্মাল থাকতে বলেছি, শুক্রিয়া। কেউ তোর সাথে চা খেতে যাবে না। দিশা সর, একটু ডাস্টবিনটা দেখাই।
আমরা ভ্যাকসিন নিতে যাচ্ছি এখন।
Oh, sorry. Will you miss us? A lot.
খুব কষ্ট হচ্ছে।
Pansika to? No. So today we had our last dose of vaccine, that is the second dose.
Today is the last day and we had the last dose of vaccine. We are crying.
Thanks to Pooja and
बहुत
Aunty.
अच्छे से लगाया हमें। Thank you so much.
Thank you Aunty.
Very
Thank
nice.
you Pooja. বল।
Thank you so much Pooja. Thanks to Aunty.
Thank you. আজকে আমাদের ডোজ কমপ্লিট হলো, আমাদের কলেজ বন্ধ হলো, and এটাই হচ্ছে
And we are crying because college got বন্ধ. Mixed emotions.
Yeah. Disha is very sad. She is going very far
We
away.
miss
Na?
Disha. सबसे ज़्यादा we miss Disha. এই Disha টোটো বেরোচ্ছে তোর।
Bye Biva. Hope your grandfather gets well soon.
Bye.
हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम मगर
10 north toward Riverside Road, Sonamore Road.
ये देखो तो
Shruti, look back.
Hi.
Tata. Bye. রেকর্ড করছে। Let's go. It's the last time. We don't know when the college is going to open. Yes, we wanted to close the college because there is very rising cases of corona. But also, we will miss. Oh my god. Someone with her? Sam? Richie! Beauty's baby. Pooja aunty, Janti, Janti, Janti.
मारो मुझे मारो मारो मुझे मारो मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है एक सेकंड यार मजाक हो रहा है
Someone with aunty.
16 paranoia filled days later. 6 hours later. Later that same evening.
This is the ladies, na? Yes, of course. আমি সবসময় এদিকে বসি। বস। জল। So this was it, and if you have enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are new. And for many more videos you can give me suggestion, you can DM me in my Instagram account, and also you can just ping me in the comment section below. And yes, this is how our life is, and I would love to share much and more about our dentistry life, at least what I am going through. And I don't know about others, but yes, you will just get to see what we people do. And yeah, I think first year should be fun because I don't know, it must be fun. Bye bye, take care.